Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2016 Kia Optima, and on this Optima we have removed the door panel. There's a video about removing the door panel, but we've removed the door panel because we want to get to these electrics here for the window for the electric window to go up and down. This button is sticking and not operating quite properly, and so we're going to remove this unit. This one may come out at the same time, but that's not, we don't need to replace that one. We just need to replace this piece here. So once that door panel has been removed, you're going to flip it around, right, to get access to the back. And there's these front tabs. You want to kind of pry those a little bit to just get them to free from the lock. And if you put some pressure on while you pry, you'll be able to pop it down. So if you pop it down like that, then you will get, there's a tab back here, just get your screwdriver in there a little bit. And then there's two big tabs that you're going to want to push back and then just kind of pull and rock this thing forward. Stuck back up there, right? And that's how you remove it. So you remove this, you get your new one. So we've got our new module, and we're just going to take it, and you're just going to be pushing it back up in, work its way in. There's some little grooves over here to line up. And you just kind of push it up until it all snaps in and everything's locked in there. And then you're good to go ahead and put your door panel back on your vehicle if this is all you were going to fix inside the door. That's how you go ahead and replace this for your windows to go up and down, and also the locking mechanism and so forth. So if you have anything that goes wrong in here, it's that whole unit, but not the mirror one. That's a different unit. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.